How to grow eucalyptus from seed. The word eucalyptus is gotten from the Greek signifying very much secured, alluding to the bloom buds, which are secured with a lidded glass-like tough external film. This film is flung off as the blossom sprouts, uncovering the woody organic product containing numerous eucalyptus tree seeds. How about we take in more about how to grow eucalyptus from seed and different strategies for eucalyptus spread. Eucalyptus propagation native to Australia and including more than 66% of its property mass. Eucalyptus isn't just the koala's backbone, yet is known to control aphids and other bug pervasions. Prevalent for its utilization of decorative designs, eucalyptus spread can be refined in a few different ways. With eucalyptus tree seeds being the most widely recognized and solid technique, uniting and micropropagation are likewise utilized. Eucalyptus cuttings for engendering are not as much as idiot-proof technique, yet a few species take to this strategy superior to others. Eucalyptus grows quickly in poor soil conditions and promptly reseeds itself in hot atmospheres. However, a few sorts of eucalyptus require cool stratification, wherein the seed must be chilled to start the procedure of germination. To cool stratify eucalyptus tree seeds, combine 1 teaspoon of seeds to 2 to 3 tablespoons of filler, for example, perlite, vermiculite or sand. Hose the blend, put in a zipper bolt pack marked and dated, and put in the refrigerator for 4 to a month and a half. After that time, you may sow the seeds including the idle filler. So presently, how to grow eucalyptus from seed. Sow eucalyptus tree seeds in the spring, pre-summer in a few atmospheres. In pads of purified soil medium put in a shady zone and secured with white plastic. When some development has been accomplished, transplant to little pots and afterward again upon development into a readied plant push. Obviously, the eucalyptus tree seeds may likewise be straightforwardly sowed into the holder in which the plant will keep on growing.